Good evening, Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com meteorologist. Overnight outlook here, coming up here on 9:30 Eastern Time, where we're doing this. We have a 30% chance of a tropical cyclone within 2 days to develop in the southern part of the Caribbean Sea. We'll show you on a satellite picture what this looks like. But it has a interesting disturbed weather sitting at that location at this current time. And we also have something that's upper level low. It's not tropical in nature, but it's called massive waves along North Carolina, Virginia, down through your Florida coastline. A nor'easter that just went has been moving in odd directions. It's actually moving south, southwest. We'll show you that on satellite also. I don't know what's going on with the satellite picture. It's been acting this way for a few days, but here's the upper level low. That's sinking in this general direction. And we have this area, which is hard to see with this black area, that is the disturbed weather. And this is going to generally move in this general direction over the next couple of days. There we go. Finally, fully showed up here. And that will be the general direction of this. The problem is, if it gets into the Gulf of Mexico, we're going to have an issue with it going through if we have strong shear. Temperatures currently in the Roanoke area: 46 in Roanoke, 36 in Blacksburg, 36 in Martinsville, 37 in Dansville, 36 Staunton, 40 Lynchburg, 57 in Bluefield. A little bit warmer out here in the mountainous areas. And for the national picture, 36 in Kansas City, 41 in Minneapolis, 40 in Billings, 47 Seattle, 63 Los Angeles, 73 Miami, 47 Boston, 49 in Washington, D.C. You can see where the cold front is located, and I will draw it on the map for you right here in the Midwest as you get the warm air coming up from the south, crashing with the cold air coming in from the west and the northwest. When you get those two together, you get the front, you get some moisture. And we're also going to see some snow start occurring in this general area, and they're talking about 8 inches of snow up there in parts of Minnesota, Iowa, and Wisconsin over the next 36 hours. Here's a synoptic map. You get the low here in Missouri, you get the precipitation now coming in the area that we're looking at to get some snow, and you see we got a high pressure still in domination in the southeastern United States. As we go along, you can see the front's getting stronger as it moves to the east, and precipitation increases on it. And what we'll have after Monday is a low develop right around this general location and move in this general movement, replace itself off the coast of Virginia, and then start moving to the northeast. Typical nor'easter. What that'll do is cause some heavy rainfall back across the mid-Atlantic states coming up over the beginning of next week. Just getting this, here's the computer model data coming in for Invest 94L, which we were looking at. You see it takes it west and then starts, a lot of these models start picking into the northwest. That includes the GFS, it includes the GFDL, that includes the no-gaps model. The only one that takes us south, it seems to be the NAM. Something we got to keep an eye on. It may go just generally in between the two. What it also does show is it strengthens to a tropical storm, and it gets shoved now to the west. Most of these shove it then to the west, which is pretty concurrent with everything else that's going on in further up in the atmosphere. Here's the area. You can see National Weather Service putting out here highest potential for 8+ inches. The east St. Cloud near Minneapolis. The rain snow line is going to sit just to the east of Minneapolis, and mainly rain further to the east. So there's what it looks like from the perspective of the National Weather Service in St. Cloud. And for that reason, they have issued winter storm warnings. Anyways, for the Roanoke Valley, 36 overnight, 69 on Saturday, 67 Sunday. Chance of showers in the afternoon on Monday, going to a good chance of rain Monday through Wednesday, with temperatures dropping into the 50s and the lows are right around the 40-degree mark. And for the Triad, around freezing overnight, 67 on Saturday, 69 Sunday, partly sunny, and 67 Monday, then rain starting to come into the area Monday through Wednesday. So a lot to look at here in the Roanoke Valley and the Triad. And we have the snow possibilities out in the Midwest, as well as a good possibility of a tropical system late in the season. If it forms, will be Virginia. We have 2 days of midnight tonight till your liveweatherblogs.com official winter forecast. Stay tuned for that. Until then, until tomorrow, liveweatherblogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison. Have a great evening.